Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So just first let's unlock our smartphone, and after that we should open the settings application. Then we should here scroll down to the lock screen section and you'll see here the always on display. Just to turn off this feature, you should click here once on the switcher, or you can make it from here. And that's it. Now just let's lock the device and we can see that the always on display feature is successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.